Hi everybody, my name is Joshua Cranhold with Dynamic Consultants Group, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about some Canvas app and a little bit of Flow on the back end. We're going to be walking through a expense reports and receipts app that I built recently, and so I'm really excited to show this, and let's just dive right on in. Alright, to start with, I'm just going to walk through a little bit of the designer here for Power Apps. So here we have our Power App designer. In here, it's got a whole lot of little icons. One of the big things that can be really, really powerful is this gallery, which you can find on your insert up here. What this is doing is it's connected directly to some CRM data, mostly this expense reports entity that is a custom entity of ours. And we're filtering it to make sure that we're only getting records that are owned by our current user that's logged in and records that are noted as active. As you can see, just what loaded up initially here, I just have this one expense report that is only owned by me and is active. From here, you can go and see what expenses I have. So here we have another collection of expenses. This is right now is just filtered to, we can find ones that are owned by me that match a selected expense report, which right now just in the designer here, I don't have one that's selected, so it's just giving me everything. But if we go and run this and I select, it's just going to filter me down to the ones that are associated with this expense report. From here, can add some expenses here by using this plus sign. And for this one, I'm just going to go make some breakfast. We'll just set it for today, and this is going to be a meal. One of the really powerful things that we found with Flow is that you can add a connector for Microsoft OCR, which is going to read some of the text. So for instance, I have this image of a receipt that I had for breakfast. And it's going to just read through all this text and try and find a dollar amount. So if I hit this arrow here, once it's finished reading it, it's going to populate another gallery with any dollar amounts that it finds, which it finds here, this $7.26, which matches with my receipt, and this $7.26 here down in the total. So I'll select that and have that populate. When we're done, this is going to kick off a flow that fires the our expense here into CRM and have that associated with our expense report. Let's make sure it got there, which it did. Here's our created today, 12/30. Here is our expense from today. And here's our picture, our receipt. Okay, once we have all of our expenses finished for our report, we can go back out to our report screen here and go ahead and submit. And this is going to then trigger another flow to go notify whoever our manager is to go and approve our expense report and send it off to accounting. Here at Dynamic Consultants Group, we've had a lot of fun recently experimenting with Canvas apps and Power Automate flows. Really looking forward to bringing more content like this to you in the future and just getting to explore more of the functionality, especially as Microsoft continues to build out this platform. So thanks everybody for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.